The village baker's surprise. In a small village nestled in the rolling hills, lived Maria, a kind-hearted baker. Every morning, Maria baked delicious bread, pastries, and cakes for the villagers. One day, while preparing for the daily market, Maria found a mysterious basket outside her bakery. Inside, she discovered a note and a special ingredient, a magical yeast. The note read, "Add this yeast to your dough, and your baked goods will bring joy to those who taste them." Curious, Maria added the yeast to her mixture. As the aroma of freshly baked bread filled the air, villagers began to smile, laugh, and dance. Mrs. Thompson, who always complained about the weather, now saw sunshine in every cloud. Tom, the grumpy postman, whistled as he delivered mail. Even the village mayor, known for his serious face, cracked a warm smile. As the day passed, Maria realized the magical yeast was spreading happiness throughout the village. She decided to keep baking, using the special ingredient to bring her community closer together. From then on, Maria's bakery became the village's gathering place, filled with laughter, warmth, and the sweet scent of joy. What's your favorite baked good?